It's the monkey song.
It's like freaking
It is.
If you want to change it into... Are you actually playing? Yeah, if it's not
She
like...
was.
I thought it was actually one of the... Put it on. Like, song selections are. Yeah, let's put it
You go for a ride or what?
Okay.
What do you want to put it
Some video.
It's on video? But is it oh, it's recording right now. Oh, okay.
Seriously, you can make an adjustment with
No, it's actually riding pretty good.
Yeah. You're here, okay?
Someone's actually...
She loved it.
Here. Hold choke.
Regular piano. Yeah.
Well, it's okay. I know why you're shaking so bad. It's just someone's so far away from you.
She loves it, dude.
Not but really. Dog's head weighs so much to the dog. Jealous. Like this. That was pretty good. We should get Misty doing video of that. Can you do it again? Here's right there. Workout. Here's right there. Wish he would sit right here. I bet he would sit right there.
No way. He likes to jump. He already jumped out of the basket once. Because he wasn't near Kira.
You stop whenever. Misty, play that again.